Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day just for you on this channel. So today we're going to talk about a part-time digital marketing coordinator. It's 100% remote and it's in the real estate department. It pays $30 an hour and it starts in July and ends in January of next year. You can schedule up to 5 hours a week. You don't have to travel, and the classification will be contract. So you'll be an independent contractor getting paid in a 1099. So this client is seeking a part-time digital marketing coordinator to assist with her real estate business needs. Are you an online marketing guru? Are you looking for a creative independent rock star to lead the charge in marketing our Airbnb business? So this part-time digital marketing coordinator remote role will love someone in or around and understand the area of Austin, Texas or Tennessee to understand the area's events and going on for marketing purposes. It's not required though, but if you're familiar, you'll definitely be a plus. You will be asked to create a comprehensive marketing plan and calendar to market our Airbnb properties, then implement the plan on an ongoing basis. Plans should include editing and optimizing our direct booking site, social media, so Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok content creation, captions, hashtags, and scheduling, engaging with followers and growing our audience, reaching out to relevant influencers / potential local partners with an invitation for a free stay in exchange for posts / exposure, tracking / measuring your success in relation to audience growth in correlation to any direct bookings. Our ideal applicant. This is a great opportunity for someone creative to create a brand image, fun and engaging content, interact with followers, and grow our audience. This person will be highly organized, familiar with marketing best practices and social media scheduling tools, experience in SEO optimization, creative skilled using Photoshop, Canva, and other content editing tools. You take the initiative to be consistent with the post and outreach and to engage with other like-minded accounts and potential partners. You're excited and enthusiastic about increasing our listings exposure. So some of the qualifications that they're looking for is experience implementing SEO using social media scheduling tools, content creation and editing using Canva, Photoshop, etc., digital marketing, social media, content creation and engagement, scheduling all SM posts for weeks, SEO for direct booking website, and estimated will be 5 hours per week with potential to grow into a larger role. All applicants must be from the US and must be legally authorized to work in the United States. Candidates applying for this role are required to have a US residency at the time of application. But remember, this job is fully remote. It pays $30 an hour and it only works 5 hours per week from starting July of 2022 and ends in January 2023. So if you think this is the right position for you, I'll put the link right in the description below so you can apply it right away. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day for you to find the perfect opportunity for you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.